how to fix Siri not working in iPhone. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option Siri. Now click on Siri and then click on talk to Siri. If it doesn't work, then turn off your Siri and remanage your Siri. Now click on continue. Hey Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Hey Siri, play some music. And then click on done. If you turn off, press side button for Siri, then turn it on. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. Hey Siri, now here you can see my problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.